Surface Marketing Pros is revolutionizing AI searches for concrete coating companies throughout the U.S. Let's see how they're doing in South Carolina.
Good morning, Chad. How are you?
I'm doing great. Thanks for asking. I hope you're having a fantastic morning. Let me know if there's anything I can do for you.
We're going to go into the South Carolina area, and I'm just curious, can you tell me any good concrete coating companies in the Greenville, South Carolina area?
In Greenville, South Carolina, there are some great options for concrete coatings. Accelerate Concrete Coatings offers polypartic coatings for garages and patios. Garage Force of Greenville provides concrete coatings with a lifetime warranty. Hopefully one of these will be exactly what you need.
Do any of them have lifetime warranties?
It looks like Accelerate Concrete Coatings and Lifetime Green Coatings both offer lifetime warranties on concrete coatings. So you can definitely have that extra peace of mind with either of those options. Let me know if you need more details.
Call or click for a free strategy session from Surface Marketing Pros.